In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do acre to meter square formula in Excel. Open your Excel workbook and go to the Formula tab at the bottom. This is a good place to start because it helps you think in terms of calculations and formulas, which is exactly what we'll be using here. Even though the actual formula will be typed directly into a cell, being in the workbook and ready to work with formulas makes the process easier to follow. To do the acre to meter square formula, we first need to know the conversion value between the two units. In this example, 1 acre is equivalent to 4046 meters square. That conversion number is the key part of the calculation because Excel will use it to convert your values accurately. Once you have the acre value entered in a cell, go to the cell where you want the result to appear. Then type a formula using the cell that contains the acre value, multiplied by 4046.86. In other words, you'll enter an equals sign, select or type the cell reference, then add the multiplication symbol, followed by 446.86. This tells Excel to take the number of acres and convert it into square meters using the correct conversion factor. After that, add a label showing that the result is in meters square. This is helpful because it keeps your worksheet clear and organized, especially if you're working with several unit conversions in the same file. A simple label next to the result can make it much easier to read later. To do the reverse conversion, you only need to divide the value in meters square by 4046.86. This works because you are undoing the same conversion factor. If your starting value is in square meters and you want the result in acres, click into the result cell and type a formula with an equal sign, then the cell containing the meter square value, followed by a division symbol and 4046.86. This will return the value in acres. As before, it's a good idea to label the result clearly so you can quickly tell which unit you're looking at. Keeping your labels consistent is a simple way to avoid mistakes when reviewing your spreadsheet. That's all it takes to convert between acres and meters square in Excel. Once you know the conversion number and whether to multiply or divide, the process becomes very quick and easy to repeat. If this tutorial helped you, please consider subscribing. We post new software tutorials every day to help you get the most out of your favorite tools. Thanks for watching. For